the last thing I want to teach you with static keyword in here are static imports. So you've seen that the math class, so math dot, has a bunch of static methods in here that we can use. Now, I can say math dot, for example, max, and I can pass a number. So I can say 10. So what's the max number between 10 and 20, for example, in here? And if I just basically sort this for a second, I want you to see that the result for this will be 20, right? So 20 is the max number. Now I can say math dot max, or I can use the static import, and that way I don't need to say math dot. So let's just see how it works. So here we can say import and then static. So this comes from, so let's just have a look. So let's just go inside of the class itself. And if I scroll all the way to the top, this comes from Java lang, right? So go back. So java.lang, and the class is math, and we want the max, just like that. So this is our static import. Now check this out. I can basically now remove the math dot and then just use the max method directly. So I don't need to say math dot max. So I could just use it like this. Now, some people like to use this, some people don't like to use this, but in some cases what this does is improve code readability. Now here, have a look, max, but let's say I want to import min. So I can either duplicate this and I can import a bunch of other things, right? Also, you've learned about the star keyword. So you can also say star, right? So now here I can basically use anything within math. So here we've got min, I can use square root, just like that, so on and so forth. But don't use star. Be explicit of what you are always using. So min, just like that. So you'll see static imports throughout this course. And yeah, so it's one that you should be familiar. And since this section was all about the static keyword, I think this is pretty much everything you need to know about the static keyword. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Otherwise, let's move on.